I'm proud of streets deep in the game, yeah. Big man watching every
Greetings, one and all. I am Verily, and I will be your co-host and attendant. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Atlanticastra. Live from the Atlanticplex is about to begin momentarily. If you are new to the channel, welcome, please subscribe and share. Now, without further ado, it's showtime.
Like they trying, you cash your page in the script of your own screenplay.
Shadows on the wall, whispers quiet call, faded light we chase in this empty space, lost in time and place, cold the night's embrace. Paradise gone tonight underneath the moonlight. Broken dreams inside sight. We lost that guiding light. Crimson skies above, stories no one lost. Fallen stars like dust, in a dream so raw. Hope was made of glass, shattered in the past. Nothing here can last. Memories like ash. Paradise gone tonight underneath the moonlight. Broken dreams inside sight. We lost that guiding light. Guiding light.
You to become the man you were always meant to be.
Very handsome armor. Not a scratch on it.
I know. People have been swinging at me for years. They always seem to miss.
Everything you do here, all of models, everything was fantasy to begin with. And fantasy has a form of reality. That is not to be forgotten. Fantasy is not nothing.
Don't think. Feel. It is like a finger pointing away to the moon. Don't concentrate on the finger or you will miss all that heavenly glory.
As I step up in the scene, they feel the swagger start to gleam. In my pocket, heavy cloud that makes me scream. Not a thing I gotta prove, but watch my posture, see my moves. Social ranks, I climb and jump my status moves. With
Introducing your
every word
charming
I'm spitting,
host,
crowds they listen.
Manticore.
Hearts I'm hitting, cloud ain't just a word, it's my ambition.
Howdy chat. Hey everyone. Back again. Day 2. So yeah, I just thought I'd do a quick sound check and just see if everything was working, which I haven't actually even done yet, which is fantastic. But hey, who gives a fuck? Hope everyone's doing well out there in the metaverse. So I decided today I might do just a bit of a boring stream. Probably no one will watch it, and I don't really care because I'm doing it for me more than anything else. But if anyone does watch it and they get inspired or maybe want to do some AR coding for themselves, then they might have some tips or pointers, and I'll talk my way through it while I'm doing it and show you what I've been working on, and maybe make some improvements, do some tests. Yeah, but yeah. So what I'll do, I'll switch over from here to the new scene I created today, and we'll go from there. All right, so here we go. We got on the top left here, we got your open code window. That's where I do all the magic. Well, AI does most of the magic, and I just tell it to do it. And then down the bottom here, we've got the actual project that I'm working on, which is called Sovereign Verily, and that's a 8-agent iteration agentic intelligence with a unified and a fragmented intelligence, so she can split off into sections and do tasks in teams or one per task per agent across the board, and runs parallel tasks and yeah, all that sort of crazy shit. But it's a swarm intelligence, so I sort of went with a bit of a military spin and created something that's pretty remarkable, really. Even though it doesn't work properly yet, but we'll get there. But sooner or later I'll have it all nailed out. But yeah, so I'll just see what OpenCode's saying over here for now. Alright, so key improvements. 94% size reduction, so 491 kilobytes. Doesn't really matter. Modular architecture, clean separation of concerns, CSS variables, easy theming and consistency, responsive design, full mobile support. Ooh, that's good. So 480 pixels by 1920 pixels. So that's full mobile support now. So you'll be able to, once this is ready and up on the VPS, you'll be able to access it from mobile as well as through the desktop. Performance, debounced utilities, lazy loading, and FPS monitoring. Accessibility, reduced motion keyboard navigation and developer experience, clean API with Holosphere register. Military aesthetic, preserved, top secret SCI classification badge, dark cyan, magenta, theme, monospace typography, and geometric panels with glowing borders. Animated status indicators, all visual effects maintained. So this is the last upgrade I did to it, just to fix some stuff and make some improvements. So we've got Blender WebSocket support export now, so you can generate avatars with 3D rigs like VTubers. And there'll be 8 of those that all talk independently and simultaneously, but I've got a little bit of a surprise planned with the way they speak, especially in unified mode. I'm gonna do some a bit of coding magic there, I reckon, and see. It'll be like a symphony of voices. It'll be quite interesting to watch. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. And there's so much going on that it's really hard to keep track of everything. So I've tried to maintain like a lot of consistency through this time, because I've had to rethink a few things a few times and had to start again, because yeah, I didn't really know what I was doing in the beginning, but now I sort of do. So geometric panels with glowing borders, animated status indicators, all visual effects maintained, all functionality working, unified intelligence, 3 Llama models, 8 Verily iterations with toggles, avatar generation with 3JS preview, Blender WebSocket export, console logging system, quick action buttons, and panel collapse and expand, keyboard shortcuts F1 to F2 and F11, Llama and Blender status indicators. So we've got responsive breakpoints, desktop, full side-by-side panels, laptop, compact spacing, tablet. They're just sizes for mobiles and other devices. It's upgraded all the documentation, and the upgrade is applied and ready. So we should go have a look and reset it and test it out. But I haven't done the setup, so we'll have to go through that as well. I have to test the Llama connection too, because I've got that running and that doesn't seem to be registering it. So we'll have to go through that as well. But yeah, hope you enjoy the ride. And if this is something that you're interested in, smash the like, and I'll do more of these. But I figured nobody really cares about this sort of stuff, but I'll try. So it doesn't let you do it manually, so you have to detect it. Doesn't connect. So why is it doing that? Do I have to select the model? That's going to be a pain in the ass. So we go down here. Is it to that one? No, it's the other one. And then we go open a terminal, Alright, so there we go. That's what we've got to work with. So where's that again? We'll go over here and we'll see if it works if we manually enter them in here. So how's it actually worded? Okay. What are you popping up like that for? So none of this stuff could be moved, which annoys me. But yeah, this is her, all the iterations. What is this? Okay. Okay. There's a bug there, obviously, I think. I've got to install the Blender add-on. Okay. So I'll work that out later. Can we close that? Yeah, there we go. So that's, I got to remember that. The Blender is an add-on that needs to be added, so I can do that. B? Is that what it, how it's worded? I don't know, hang on, sorry. Oop. Yeah, I think so. Add. So that doesn't work either. Oh, yes it does, there we go. And it's there too, so that did work. So we can add them this way, that actually does work. So Qwen 3 8B, same wording, or same. Oops. Why does it do that every single time? That's so weird. Okay. Qwen 3 8B, and we add that. Did I add it? Yes! Woohoo! It's working. So good. I love that. Now what? The next one is Dolphin Llama 3 AB. Where do I got to go again there? Dolphin dash Llama 3. And then, did I say 8B? I can't remember now. I think it was. 8B, yeah. Go away, you. I fucking closed you like 3 times, man. Okay. Okay. That's annoying. I have to fix that. There we go. Add. Yes. So that, in theory, should have worked. So we can test them here, I think. So test selected model. Does that do anything over here? Seems to be. Doesn't show you anything though. That's retarded. We'll just go. Okay, there's the test summaries there. Oh, whatever. We'll just keep going and see what happens. So this is the avatar generation here, but I don't think it'll work because I haven't got the add-on. But we can press it and see what happens. It says it does, look. It's a polygon. What does that mean? Next. System voices. So I can clone a voice here. I think I've got voice samples, so I'll try that quickly. And see if that works. There she is. This one. Alright, so she has a voice now, so we'll just go through and see what that does. I want to see if that works.
Welcome to Sovereign Verily. Your custom voices are ready and your system is fully configured.
So that's the web speech voice, obviously. I don't know if you even heard it because I've got the desktop audio muted, so you may not have put it on. So yeah, this is the main interface. It's like spherical and bifurcating. That word's weird, but yeah, I think that's how you say it. But yeah, you can spin it any way you want. Woohoo! It's pretty cool. Sorry, keep carried away. But yeah, what can we go from here? We can go close this bit, and we'll go back to the main view here. And this is the main interface as well for the controls. You can launch the spheres again through here as well. So you just go like that and it'll show them again. Close. So I've added new functions too, which I've got to flesh out. This is the gaming strategist function. So it should be able to give you I'll be playing Fortnite and I'll be able to get Verily to give me hints and tips and talk me through some shit or whatever. So that'll be good. That's the export for the Blender spheres. This is just different tasks, so coding, streaming, content creation, research and reasoning. I don't know what it does if you select them. Oh, it's just a mode. You can put them in different modes. You used to be able to bring up the avatars here, or the different iterations here, but I can't really do it anymore. I don't know why. I have to look into that. I think I can do it through the sphere interface. We'll go have a look. We'll go over here. Twist this around here like this. Where are we? And go. There we go. Display options. High quality rendering. Does that do anything? Yep. Oh, it did. Made it fancy. So yeah, this is the way it's going to work. All the model, like everything's going to be all configured through here. Why is it not connecting to Llama? That's weird. We'll have to work that out too. But yeah, everything is going to be accessible as far as interfaces and there you go. You can clone the voice from here. That doesn't work, so we'll have to look into that too. Should be able to play it through there as well. So I should be making notes of all this, but this is more just to show everything. So yeah, you can control all the avatars through here when it's done, when it works. Export to Blender. So I have to work that out too. There's a download. Hey Billy Powermax, sorry I didn't see you there. Hail, good to see you. I'm just going through a bit of coding stuff and showing what I've been working on with the whole Verily project. So, but yeah, we're in deep. I'm basically about halfway through. But now it's just really refining what I've put together and making sure it all works. But yeah, it's you can see here, this is the dual interface. It's a bifurcated sphere mirror system. And yeah, there's 8 agents that work independently or parallel to do whatever you want, from coding to content creation, YouTube co-host functions, gaming strategist functions, you name it. Yeah. But yeah, after all the other stuff, I decided to pursue the coding avenue and set up Seraphonic Studios, which is my own studio label for software production, and head in this direction with AI software. But yeah, I'll jump back over the coding screen for a sec and we'll see what that says. Alright. I'll just ask it to investigate the voice cloning. Why the loaded cloned voices don't play, please. We'll see what it says, and then we'll go from there. I'll jump over here again for a sec. But yeah, none of this, I don't know why this side doesn't work yet either. I have to work that out. I'll do it one at a time. It highlights, because that's the avatars. That's where their visual displays will be. And that sphere will have like a 3D avatar in there. You'll be able to zoom in on each agent if you want individually. And they'll be able to talk and stuff like that as well. Kate's in the chat. She says, hey, Felicia. Hey, Kate. How the fuck are you? I was just telling Billy and the chat what I've been working on with the whole Verily thing. It's grown into like something pretty massive. But yeah, I'll see what this sucker's saying now. I'll go back over here. Oh, Nightbot's doing his job too. Look at that. How's that? There we go. Thanks, Nightbot. Good work. You're still out of town. What did you do? Did you murder someone and you had to do a runner? Is that why? You're on the run from the law? Alright, so what is it saying? So I'll stop giving Kate shit for a second, then I'll actually be serious for a minute. The user is asking me to investigate cloning UI. This is his reasoning, which is funny. And figure out why the loaded clone voices don't play. Let me look at the voice cloning system in your code base. I need to find the relevant files and understand how the voice cloning works. Let me search for the voice cloning related files in the code. So now he's doing his job. Busted his ass for me because he's a legend. Oh yeah, you did tell me about that. Good work. Very nice. I hope you're enjoying yourself there. And getting nice and muddy and like covered in crap. For some reason that makes me feel happy that you're getting covered in like mud and shit. So hope it's good. Alright, so what do we got? So stop distracting me, Kay. I'm trying to read. Let me investigate the Vox Forge system code in the index and understand voice cloning. I can see the issue. Generate speech function calls, window text, but the new index HTML we don't have. Okay, that makes sense. It's gonna fix it now. That's good. Saves me doing it. But yeah, I'm in the stage of just ironing everything out now and making sure it all works, like I just said earlier. But that's the interface. Oh, you had a great time. That's good. It's over. Oh no! Everything good comes to an end, Kate. You know that. So what's this do? Batch operations. So you can process a batch. Text to speech. That is it? I wonder if I can get it to say it. Hello, fool. I can't even do a space. What is this? This interface sucks. Hello. I wonder if it works. We'll see what it does. Queue status pending. Doesn't do nothing. Another option that doesn't work. I have to work that out later. God damn it. See, auto rotate. What does that do? Reset view. Turns that around. But yeah, you can spin real quick. Make everyone dizzy. It's pretty responsive. I'm pretty impressed with that. But yeah, there's 200 nodes in total on each side. So like, think Apple functionality of like an iPhone or something like that, or like say your iPhone and the way it connects to your Apple Watch and all that sort of shit. This is what I'm working with this, but it's all going to be AI functions. Every single node is going to have a function that is integrated with AI, so you'll be able to do 200 different tasks of different variables, and yeah, all at once, and then control it over here. like I said, it started off with, you saw what she was like in the beginning, Kate. Like that was like the inception of this. Like this has become, and then all these little nodes here on this side, on this side, there'll be either displays for the nodes that have functions. So like whatever, if I've got an image generation node, that'll be here, and then all the UI and stuff like that will be there for it. So all the configuration and stuff like that. Or it'll be an avatar for the system. So that's Verily Gamer. That's the gaming and strategy version of her. That's Verily Creator there. So that'll be content creation. That one's Verily Dev. That one's to do with software development. So that'll help me develop software and stuff like that. And then this one here is the coder. That's the coding engine. That part there. So you go there for coding. Keep in mind this is all placeholder stuff at the moment because it's not working yet, but it will be. That's Verily Prime. So that's vision and strategy. Verily co-host. And yeah, there we go. So there'll be a co-host for YouTube too on here as well. But they'll all have 3D avatars that have generated through Blender that you'll be able to use photo reference or image reference to create, and a rig like a VTuber. So the AI will actually create rigs, so I can have the fact that you actually move and like have mannerisms and stuff like that. Yeah, I know. Thanks, Kate. I appreciate it. It's good that you're here because you have seen, you saw the very beginning of all this. So like, it's nice to, yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's been a bit of a fucking like stressful thing, and like trying to get like the motivation to even have the like perseverance to try and get it to this stage, because I've fucked it up so many times and had to start again. I think it was like 3 or 4 times. But yeah, we got to here, which is good. And I'm proud of it, yeah. It's got to a good point. Like, if I close this, I'll go back to... That's the main interface here. So this, you can select all her tasks and functions through here. This is not all working yet, though. I have to go through and fix it. But yeah, generate avatars, show the spheres, change her, like, focus, what you want her to do. Whoa, that was beeping me. Fucking blew my head off. It's not loading the Olama models for some reason. I don't know why. I have to work that out as well. But yeah, you should be at this. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Gaming Vision and Strategist. So we've got Fortnite, Battle Royale, Apex Legends, I don't know what some of these are. CS2, StarCraft 2, Age of Empires, Minecraft, Genshin Impact, Team Fight Tactics, and custom game. So you can put another game in there, custom shit. This should all work. I should test it after and see if it actually does work. I sound better as well. Yeah, I've got a new PC now. I'm on a whole new system now. Everything should run a whole lot better. And I can do all this stuff together now as well. But yeah, so she's got a full gaming strategy. I'm most impressed with and proud of some of this stuff, but I haven't tested it yet. We'll have to work that out later, and I'll do another stream and test some of this stuff individually. But Gaming Vision Strategist Pro, it's called, this section. So I'll close that off. And then we've got, that doesn't work, whatever that was. That doesn't work either, neither does that. Oh, that's the spheres, obviously. That brings that up. So we can close that again. I'm just testing to see what stuff does at the moment. That does nothing. So does that and that. So they all need to be debugged and worked out what the fuck's going on with them as well. So I should be taking notes right now. Probably. Where's those fucking things? I decided to be really boring and do coding streams and see if anyone actually watches them. I don't know where the other ones went. Oh, there. Alright, so, yeah. But yeah, that's basically the gist of everything so far. But yeah, I'm gonna create like a symphony of like voices, like because she's got 8 iterations, but they're all like unified in the sense of like she's one consciousness. It's pretty ambitious too. Like I don't think I've seen anybody else doing this shit. Like, so I probably shouldn't even be streaming it, but fuck it, who cares? I like to show where I'm at, and if it inspires someone to do the same thing, because I'm gonna open source this all anyway. I'm not gonna go the corporate route. I'll just charge a reasonable price for people to use it if they want to use it. That's why the name Sovereign Verily. Sovereign intelligence should be for everyone. But yeah, that's basically the spiel, and that's where we're at. I'll see what this clown's saying now over here. Alright, so perfect. I've fixed the voice cloning system. Here's what was wrong and what I did. Problem identified. The upgraded... Hang on. What are you doing, Chief? I can't read that when you don't... What happened? That's the code. Oh yeah, here we go. Problem identified. Upgraded index HTML and it had stub VoxForge system that could load, save voices and local storage, but was missing the playback functionality. No preview voice method, no generate speech, no UI panel, no playback logic. Solution implemented, created complete VoxForge module. That's VoxForge is the voice cloning that I made. I made a voice with Python, just a voice cloner that you can clone voices with. So I could clone the voice that I generated at 11 Labs, because I generated her voice over there, and I wanted to keep that voice, so I just cloned it with some clips. So it's full voice cloning system with all methods from original. TTS integration using Web Speech API. I don't want that. I'm going to have to fix that. Recording functionality with media recorder, video voice assignment to agents, effects processing, pitch, speed, equalizer and reverb, batch processing support, and local storage persistence for voices and assignments. So that looks like that's been upgraded, but I might have to fix the voice sample. Oh no, it seems like it does do it. Generate speech with TTS. Apply effects, pitch and speed, batch processing, and local storage. Yeah, I think it does. VoxForge panel. So it should have it in there now, so I might have to refresh that and see if it works. I'm going to ask it, can you please check the right side button cascade and ensure they all serve a purpose and have functioning code. Yeah, that'll do. Bam. Oh. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, like not about saying that'd be good. If any catches the replay and you like coding streams and you want me to do more, and then I'll do more. But I just figured I'd try this out and see how we go. Headbutt the mic. So did you get to roll around in the mud a lot, Kate, or what? Wallow like a pig in mud? Sorry, that was a bit rude. But yeah, go for it. Whatever. I don't mind. Oh, you pushed the like button? Thanks, Kate. I appreciate it. Here's me giving you shit and you're liking the stream and shit. Alright, so now it's fixing the functionality. Of course I played in the mode, she says. Of course you did. I knew the answer to the question before I asked it. Frequent comments chat, so of course you like to play in the mud. Get yourself dirty. So yeah, I'm just waiting on this to do this now. It's just implementing the missing functionality that it missed before. Because it likes to do that. I'll bring up the spheres because they're more interesting to look at than this silly interface. And I'll probably reset it just for a sec to see if it does anything. Oh, look, it's a bit more improved. There's System Console here that tells you things now. There's VoxForge as well. Interesting. I can scroll down here. There's all the avatars now too, so I could go like that and highlight them. I should be able to bring them up, but I don't know why it doesn't let me anymore. I have to say that too. Spheres. They don't work now, which is fantastic. Always does that. It drives me nuts. Alright. So we'll go F12 and have a look. We've got a few errors here on the console. So we have to take a screenshot of that shit just quickly. Well, that shit, get over here. And then I'll send that to this clown over here and hopefully he'll fix it. I'll do a bit more of this and then I'll probably do like end the stream with a bit of Fortnite or something just to cool off a bit. But I haven't got anything else really that's new to show. I've got heaps of stuff that I haven't finished and doesn't really work. I could probably show you the StreamYard's variant. Like I've been working on a StreamYard competitor so people can live stream and get cheaper value from me instead of paying StreamYards. But I haven't finished that yet. Okay, so she had a flight on a helicopter. A life flight helicopter come from a friend that was racing. Okay, they're okay other than that. Broken collarbone, but cuts and bruises. Ooh. Yeah, well that's to be expected, but glad they're alright. Fucking sliding around in the mud, you're bound to get hurt sooner or later. In those sort of cars too, they're crazy. I went to the like, NASCARs a few times and shit. Not NASCARs, I don't know what they're called. They go round and round in a ring with mud, like, and they flick mud at you. It's fucked. Like, you have to spend the whole time dodging mud. You missed the whole last season of Fortnite. Fortnite's in a bit of a pickle at the moment, apparently. They just laid off 1,000 employees. Like, some of the big names, too. Like, people that invented, like, Jonesy and Ramirez, those two characters. Like, they laid him off. They laid heaps of people off. And they've, like, put the V-Bucks worth down. So you don't get as many V-Bucks back now. They put the price of the pass up as well, I think. And the skins are fucking, like, ridiculous now as well. They brought out the Game of Thrones ones, and I had to buy them because I'm a dickhead. And, like, that was expensive. That was, like, $42 or something like that. It's stupid. Retarded shit. Yeah, like, it's even, I think, Rockstar put in an offer to Epic to buy them out, to, like, save the game or some shit, they said. I don't think it's in that much trouble, but, yeah, I think there's something going on. Probably just like trimming the fat. Probably out too much. 1,000 employees is a lot, man. Like, do you need that many devs? Like, I'm making all this shit by myself. Like, what the fuck? What are they doing? Okay. I have to do it in a server. That's why it's not working properly. Because you have to do it in a private server for it to work properly. I should have known that anyway. That's why, because it's blocking shit. There we go. Makes sense. So we have to run that in Python. Copy. Put that down here and go, hey, yeah, do this shit, bitch. What happened here? Yeah, that worked. I think. I don't know. We'll have a look. Oh, permissions error. That's a bit fucked. Why did it do that? Oh yeah, Cortana, the sidekick, yeah. I got Mr. Poopy Butthole the other day. That little midget that looks like Jordan Peterson from Rick and Morty. He's like, ooh-wee! But he's a bit weird. All he does is say, ooh-wee, how about that? And jumps around. A bit weird. Like SpongeBob weird. But I couldn't help myself. But I got Drogon with Daenerys, because I got Daenerys. So I got Drogon. So my glider now is the dragon from Game of Thrones. That's pretty cool. I'll show you that in a minute. Or when I play that. So if you're still around. What is it doing? Okay, so I can do that. But then I have to share that window. How do I... So created start server batch. Where is that then? Start... I bet it didn't even do it in the right fucking folder again. Stupid fucking thing. Oh, there it is. What the fuck? Why did it fail to start? Stupid shit. Hang on a sec. I have to take a picture of that and send it to this clown to see what he says. So this is how I've learned how to do this. Just literally back and forth with like the AI. Yeah, Game of Thrones, they're pretty cool. I got Jon Snow, the Night King, and Daenerys, and 2 emotes. And like all their weapons and shit, of course. But he's just making a workaround for the existing code, so it uses different port. Because that port was busy, apparently. Come on, Chief, what are you doing? But yeah, this is how I've learned how to code, is just back and forth with this thing. This is open code too, so if anyone wants to learn or try it out, it's free. You get a fair few tokens too, so like jump in there and give it a go, man. Fucking, it's worth it. Bit of fun too. Like I don't play as much video games because I've been doing this stuff. Try the new start server bat. I just updated it. Automatically connect to one of the ports. Okay, we'll try that shit then. Bam bam. They're all busy. They can't be busy. Okay, run as administrator. That'll work. Run as administrator. Yes, sir. You got what? 16 minutes. Oh no! What does that say to me? I have to close those. They're all busy, man. Oh, here, I'll jump over there quickly. I'll close this for a sec and I'll just load it up so I can show you. Why did it do that? That's so weird. Here we go. You can have that back for a sec. And we'll jump over to the gaming section of the fucking Atlantiplex. So just bear with me. Enjoy the ride. Hold on tight.
You to become the man you were always.
Hold on. There's Verily. I generated that with that Sea Dance, the new AI generator thingy, what's it? But that was to get a range of expressions so I could, yeah, generate the avatar. Alright, here, I'll just minimize that so you can see. I need to do a sound check too while I'm here, so it's a good chance to do that. How do I get rid of this again? There we go. Alright, so let's see. You should be able to hear it, but I think there'll be double sound. So what I'm going to do is this. And I'm going to go over here. Yep, there we go. Perfect. Now that should be right, I reckon. Let me just test it quickly. Yeah, this new computer's much better. Like moving around and just having, it's heaps easier to operate now instead of fucking around with everything with the one screen and like a laptop. Yeah, so you got Daenerys. She's got like all three styles of like what she wears in the series. So the caped version of that, the blue shit when she's with Khal Drogo, and then the Mad Queen. Yeah, that one is cool. And then Jon Snow, the bastard. And you got, yeah, his Night's Watch variation with the leather, and then with the cape shit as well. And that, yeah. What's that? Reactivity. I don't know what that does. I have no idea. But they come with like emote, or it came with the, because I got the bundle, it came with the emotes as well. So you got this one. He's flexing on the Iron Throne and shit. When you play the Game of Thrones, you either win or you die. Okay, says leather. Woo! But yeah, then you got like Daenerys has got this one. Fire and blood. But yeah, I might as well play around while I'm here. But there's Mr. Poo Poo Butthole that looks like fucking Jordan Peterson next to me, little weirdo. And they've introduced this shit now. I don't know if you've seen this. There's teams now. I'm Team Ice King, of course. But yeah, they've introduced like such thing as rivalries now, so you can like earn points from doing that shit. I think you get new options too, like that you can unlock. Just let me test the sound so I know what's working on. Yeah, that's good. Wicked. Nice. It's actually good to have like everything functioning and working and like. I'll play around, I guess. I'll do Blitz first. Hang on. Turn that down because I can hear myself. Shut up, motherfucker. I don't know. I like the main map again in the Battle Royale. It's better. I nearly won today. I nearly got a a win in the Battle Royale, and I haven't done that for like 2 seasons. I've had heaps of Blitz wins, but not Battle Royale ones. Battle Royale, sorry. Blah, blah, blah. But yeah, I don't mind it so far. It's gone back to Marvel for this Blitz shit, but so far it's so good. I don't mind it. But yeah, it's a bit unfortunate what's going on with Epic and shit. Even though I don't really know the full story, but yeah. That did work. Missed. Oh shit. Alright. Here we go again. Got you, bitch. Oh shit. Ah! Get the fuck out of here. Oh shit, bitch. Whoa! That's not good. Ah! Oop. Where are you, scumbag? Oop. Not good. Booyah! Run, bitch. Never turn your back on your opponent, you fucking retarded. Whoa. Not good. Ah! Shit. Right, he's done. Thank you. Come again. I need that. Whoa, not good. What's this? That'll work. I think we should run away. How do I not have a scratch on me from that? Do that. And banana. This shit is bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S. That's my way. What are these people? Daenerys is like the Terminator with like rocket launchers and shit. There he is. Fuck you, Captain America. Got him. That was pretty full on, man. Need that. Chuck that shit away, I don't really need it. Give me that. Yeah. Let's get him. They're even looking at me. Yes. That was annihilation. Whoa, 86,000, 88.92. Whoa, that's pretty good. Not bad at all. Mad lad. And a level up. What was that? 12% accuracy. Couldn't hit the side of a barn. Look at that shit. Still won. 8 eliminations. Not bad. I just went full Mad Queen on all of their asses. Thanks, Kate. What does that say? How satisfied are you with the amount of weapons in the game you just played? Yeah, pretty satisfied. So we got still. How do you get that? You gotta do the quest, I guess. Oh, that's alright. Haven't done any of them yet. I'm waiting for Carl to do the bloody things. Because he always knows which ones we're gonna do. What's this here? Anything else? Ooh, V-Bucks. Hell yeah. Cha-ching! Might try one of these other ones. Hello, Golf. Used to tell you. Oh yeah, 58. I'll go a bit longer and then I'll call it. Just looking at the quest. That's what I should be doing, is like fucking this shit. Even though I hate reload. Oh, not that one, ranked reloaded. How do I do that again? Shit. Nope. There we go. Oop. There we go. I hate this shit.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper, underground methods, top notch, get the most, not the lizard. Straight terror, product of your errors. Pushing culture, baby, got that product you can measure. I'm a big stepper, underground methods, top notch, get the most, not the lizard. Straight terror, product of your errors. Pushing culture, baby, got that product you can measure.
I like her bad attitude. This is one of my favourite ones, this one.
Get the most, not the
Oh, here we go, finally. It's probably take ages to get in here. Ooh wee!
Right foot creep, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with the heater. The devil under your feet, you on your way to see him. Right foot creep,
Oh, we got movement. Something's going on. Could have a look over here, I guess.
Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop.
Oh, zesty as all fuck. Look at that.
Tell me what you wait for me. Baby, I'm a rolling stone. I got a lot of right in me.
That's kind of a cool dance. That one. Oh yeah. How much is that? 500. I might try and get that later. Funky shit, man.
I sat down, crust, turn my neck, shut him up. I sat down, crust, turn my neck, shut him up. I sat down.
Oh god. Yes. Zesty as fuck. Confetti. Yeah, nah. Fuck off. That's funny as fuck. That's a funny one, I like that. That's good. Alright, you gotta hit back again. Cyberpunk vehicles, yeah, I got all of them. Drogon's so cool though. Her back again. What the fuck are these? I saw these and I was like, what the fuck are they? Little orange head man. That's fucking retarded. Oh, look, it's J Dollar. Evolved. A little Sunman and the Hayseed and a Farmer. Farmer Jane. Oh yeah. Look at those shoes, they're weird. Kinda cool though. They're only 600 too. There's a Viking. He's huge though. I like this chick, but yeah, I would buy it. I will one day, because I've seen her a few times. Oh, finally we got in. I can stop talking shit for no reason and get killed straight away because it's reload. Alright, pump yourself up. Let's do it. Let's do it, motherfuckers. There you go. Woo! Hello. See if I'm pushing the water. Boom! Goodbye. One more. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Ah! He's up there. Good job. Oh, he's dropping crowns everywhere. Where are they? I'm gonna take them. Get him. Get Goku. The son of a bitch. Come on, bitch. Last you. Fucking bunny suited motherfucker. I hate this with a passion, but I'm trying to get that thing. Look at that guy there, how cool is that? Shotgun, acquired, quest chest acquired, with a fucking little thingy, so I can try and kill this dude wherever he is. I heard him drop. Need that. Get in here. No. Ah, shit. Fuck. Where'd he go? That hurt, bitch. Let's go. Let me get out of here. I don't particularly want to die yet. Oh, shit. Ah, shit. Ah. Go. Ah, damn. Wasted. Motherfucker. I tried. Woo. Here we go again. Shit. I need to get kills. So I just need 1 or 2 though, literally, and then I'm happy. Where's this? Do that thing. And that. Ooh, they're those cool guns that change. I just don't know bullet too. God damn it. Ooh, I need that. What's that? Need that instead. That'll work. Whatever. Someone's coming. Keep running. What are you fucking searching for? Behind me a fair distance. Need to find some shields before I start engaging him, pricks. What's that? I'll take that instead. Thanks. Do that. That. Let's go. That. Oh yeah, I just dropped that. Fucking smashed it, man. Just hide in this fucking bush. What is that? I see something. That's just a tree. That's like coming to a tree. It's funny. We'll find people. We need to kill someone. Here we go. Here's the chance. Ah! It's Goku. Bastard. Got me. Goku Black, damn you. I think this is my last time anyway. It's been pretty pointless, but hey, whatever. Get one. We need one. All you need is one. All it takes is one. Where is it? I need one. Yes! God damn it! Haha! Got you. I willed that to happen. See that? I was like... now I can die happy. Ooh, what is this? No, see that. Should get one more if we can. What is this? Ooh, I like that gun. Give me that. I'll blast someone with this. Ooh. I had gunshots. Ah, shit! Where is he? I can't even see him. There he is. Oh, he was good. It blasted me. Nice work. Oh, here we go. Oh, he copped it by that fucking Where's Waldo skin. Okay, so I got one kill, that's good. No worries, Kate. Take it easy. Have a good night. Sweet dreams. I'll go back to lobby. Yeah, I won't be gone for much longer either. Cool this, I might do another one later, but this was just a test one to see if everything was working good. Alright, what we'll do is we'll do that, and we'll go back to Singapore. And we'll just double check what's going on over here quickly. Alright. We'll reset this and see what it does. Can we show the spheres now? No, they still don't show up. It's because I've improved everything, but I'll debug it later, and probably do another one later and see how we go. See what we're up to. But yeah, I'll probably just end it here. How the chat? Much love, everyone. Thanks for everyone that stopped by. Billy Powermax, Kate, and everyone who catches the replay. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that bullshit. And yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.
To become the man you were always meant to be.
Very handsome armor. Not a scratch on it.
I know. People have been swinging at me for years. They always seem to miss.